Agile value prioritization. Agile methodology emphasis on the client collaboration, iterative development, continuous improvement in order to produce the best value work. There are various practices and concepts you may follow when it comes to agile requirement to prioritize and provide greatest value work. There are many important consideration to take. Normally, agile requirements start from the user story. At the team level, user stories done to collect needs from end users or stakeholders. User stories emphasize the value offered to the client and aid in the prioritization of work based on the user demands. To prioritize, there is another method is called Moscow prioritization. To prioritize requirement, use the Moscow technique: must have, should have, could have, would have, won't have. Identify and prioritize the must have features that add the most value to the customer experience. Then is backlog refinement. By reviewing and refining the product backlog on a regular basis, collaboration with the product owner and the stakeholders is required to reassess the priorities and adjustment requirement in response to changing business demands and the customer feedback. And moving forward is MVP, that is also called minimum viable product. Creating a MVP, which is bare bones version of the product that provides essential functionality. This enables early value delivery and iterative development in response to the client feedback. And then is continuous feedback loops with the stakeholders and the end users on a regular basis. This helps aiding in the validation of the assumptions and identification of the valuable features and the refinement of the requirement during the development process. And then is sprinting with the high value. By planning and executing all the sprint based on the greatest value work, divide the requirement into a smaller, more manageable part, and then prioritize them according to their importance and the interdependence. For this, there are certain agile estimating tools are there, such as story points, relative sizing, that can be used to estimate effort and prioritize work. This assesses the team in understanding the complexities and the implications of each requirement, and this allowing to improve decision making. For this, they're continuous improvement, promoting a culture of continuous improvement by reflecting on the development process on a frequent basis and recognizing opportunities to improve value delivery based on the lessons acquired during the past sprint, and then adapting and then refining the requirements. To measure all of this progress, there certain agile metrics are there. By defining and tracking the metrics that measure the product value, customer happiness, business impact, time to market, all metrics that can provide insight into the performance of high value work. In doing all of this, we have to remember agile requirements are not fixed and might change throughout the course of the project. To ensure alignment with the business goals and the customer need, prioritization and a focus on providing high value work necessitate close communication among the development team, product owner, and the stakeholders.